this is Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. And I have a jewelry jar from Saver. It's $35. Show you guys the impression. Hopefully there's some treasure. It's like a big jar, huh? Okay, let's cut it open. Hope everybody's doing well and having a great, enjoy your weekend. It's super hot over here. I have on my fan. Hopefully it doesn't bother the noise. Let me see. It's like a big jar. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And if you're new here, welcome. I do unboxing. I haven't been doing live. Need to get everything situated. This is a bracelet with the heart and all the rhinestone. It's like a different kind of stretch. See? I wonder who's the maker. Can't see it, huh? Or can't tell. But if anybody wants this one, it's going to be $2 for that. $2. And put it in the bag. Okay. This one's like a lot of tangle. This is so pretty. Look at the butterfly. I need to untangle that. Oh, look at this one. This one looks like tiger's eye, huh? And the rosary. It's a bracelet. Anybody wants this one, it's gonna be $1. Okay, $1 for that. Sorry about the lighting, it's kind of dark in here. I'm in my room. The other day I recorded in the dining room table. Oh, this one would be pretty, but it's broken. See? This one's gonna be $1. You guys think I'm gonna find any treasure? Oh, this one would be a nice watch. But I think it's broken. See, it's broken also. It's like gold tone. It's broken. It'll be $1. See, it has the rhinestone. $1, $1. Put it in the bag. Okay. $1 item. They have like 4 jars at the Saver, and some of them were like $24.99. So I chose this one. This one was $35, I believe. Yeah, $35. This one looks like it's worn. Oh, loss of color. See? This one's $1 also. Okay. Haven't found any treasure yet. This is like another bracelet. I think this is like a rosary also. Looks small. Right for a tiny wrist. Doesn't even fit my wrist. But this one's gonna be $1. Ew. This one has a toggle clasp. This one, just a heart with a toggle clasp, and it was $4.99. It'll be $1. Anybody wants this one? $1. Oh, dollar, huh? I'm not even halfway through the jar. This one looks like safety pin. Somebody made it out of safety pin. See this? This one will be $1 also. I don't know who this one is. 8R. I think this one's broken. I'm not sure if it's broken or not. Or that's the way it is. And see. That's the name of it. Not sure who it is. This one's gonna be $1 also. A lot of craft item. I think this one. Ooh, imagine this one is uranium glass. This one right here. I'm gonna check on this one. This is so pretty, huh? Let me see if it glows. Okay, let's see if it glows. Doesn't look like it glow, huh? No. It don't look like it glow. But if anybody wants this one, it'll be $2 for that one. $2. Oh, this is Tiffany and Co. I'm like, is it real? Look at this. Wow. Look at that, you guys. I think it has so many initials. That is so pretty. And then this one is, looks like it's gunmetal color. I'm gonna leave the Tiffany and Co. I gotta test that to see if it's sterling. This one is pretty. It's like a gunmetal color. If anybody wants this one, it'll be $1 for that. $1. Oh my gosh, just another Tiffany. I'm like, look, it says naughty and nice, and it says Tiffany on the bottom. Wow. Hopefully it's real. It'll be a great score, huh? I should have bought the other jar with the guy that was working there. He's like, take both jars. Now when I think about it, I'm like, I should have, huh? This one is earring. Look how pretty this one is. This one's gonna be $1. It's a clip-on earring, but the hook, gotta fix it. You see this? See how it's coming off? And you gotta fix it back together. Wow, such amazing. If that Tiffany & Co. is real, then it's such a great find. Um, oh, look at the turtle. This is so pretty. Ooh, I wonder if this one glows. Every time I get like something like green, we're like, ooh, I wonder if it glow, huh? I need my other light. It doesn't seem like it glow. Okay. Anybody wants this one, it's gonna be $1. For the turtle, $1. I'm loving this jar. This one's a single earring. Okay. This one is just say nylon wash and wear. See, I'm just gonna put in a lock. This is a single earring. Hopefully there's a match to it. I still have a long way to go. This one looks like $100. See, and it's like a enhancer. How do you call it? It's a magnet. This one's gonna be $1. Okay, all $1 today. You guys are getting a great deal. This one's like a clip-on earring. I need to find the match to that. It's like a lever back. Not clip-on, it's a lever back earring. So I need to find the match to that. I wonder what this one is. This one looks like, it's like lightweight, the pearl. See, it's pretty. It's gonna be $1 if anybody wants that one. Has a spring ring clasp, like right here. Okay, $1. Put this in the bag. Hope you guys are enjoying. I'm enjoying going through the treasure. These are all plastic beads, I think. See these, all those beads. I think they're plastic. They look plastic. See? I'm gonna put it in a bag, and then if anybody wants that one, it's gonna be $1. For all those bead, $1. Oops, the bag ripped. That is so funny. This one's such a beautiful clip-on earring, but it's missing a rhinestone. And the glue is kind of coming off. But you can always glue it back. Hopefully you have the match to it. I don't see the match. I don't see it yet. Hopefully. I don't know what this one is. Something stuck in here. I think this one either a clip or something. I don't know what it is. See, it has a clip right here. And it looks like Damascene or Toledo wear. But anybody wants this one, it's gonna be $3 for that. I think these are, this one sound like, some of them sound like glass bead. This one. And it has the wood stretchy bracelet. It's gonna be $1. Okay. And that clip-on earring, I found the other part to it. It's so pretty. See, this one is just missing rhinestone. And the pearl right here, the glue. The glue is kind of loose. See? You guys can always glue it back. It's gonna be $1. $1, so pretty. Just need to glue it. Okay. What else? Ooh, this is pretty too. This one looks like peacock. I'm like, ooh, does it glow? My lighting, huh? See? This one is, it's like a lever back, and it's like a brass color earring. It'll be $2 for that. $2. It's like a lot of craft item in here. You just, it's like all beads. Ooh, this one is so pretty. See this one? It's like the butterfly. And it says quartz. I really like this one. It's gonna be $6 if anybody wants this one. It's so unique. I've never seen the butterfly one. $6 for that. Look at the jar. I want to show you guys. Getting there. Okay. And I have a lot of like stuff like right here. It's like a lot of craft item. Okay. $6 for that clock. Ooh, look at the horse. It does have like a lot of color loss. See, it's like a pendant. Anybody wants this one, it's gonna be $1. And it does have color loss. Okay, $1 for that. I'm just happy because I got the Tiffany and hoping it's real. Okay, what else? Let me see. Because all these are like, they're all little pieces. Look at this. It's all like tangle. It's probably broken. That one's gonna go in a craft. like, was it worth the $35? If the Tiffany is real, yeah. And look at this bracelet. It's like a memory wire. And I think they're plastic bead. This one's gonna be $1. Oh, $1 day today. $1, $1. Oh, look at the leprechaun hat. I mean earring. There's the leprechaun. $1 for that also. Okay, move all this stuff out of the way. $1. And then this one's like a high school. That one's gonna be $1 for the pin. If anybody wants that one. Oh, this one's pretty. This one's St. Christopher. This one's $1 also. Okay. Put it in the bag. Let's see what else. This one's like a eggshell. I don't even know how to open this. Maybe it doesn't open. Okay. And these are the earrings. Oh, this is made in Korea. It's like a clip. See? It's like a butterfly clip. Made in Korea. It'll be $1. Stretchy ring. It says just stretch. That one's gonna be $1 also. It's a lot of craft item. And ooh, this earring is so pretty. I want to have all the. This is like gold tone. Anybody wants this earring? It's pretty. It's gonna be $2. $2 for that earring. Okay. I'm like trying to see all the earring and stuff. Ooh, this one says Avon, so pretty. See? It says Avon. It has the lipstick. It's a pin or a brooch. Anybody wants this one? It's gonna be $3. $3 for that. And it's almost 30 minutes. Usually like when 30 minutes it gets cut off. Like if I go over 30 minutes. Let's see what else do they have. This one looks like a 925. Ooh, I wonder if it's diamond, huh? It's a 925 earring. Ooh, gonna keep that on the side. This is a San Diego Zoo. It's a pin. It'll be $1 if anybody wants that. $1 for that. And then this one's just a pink stretchy bracelet. That one's gonna be $1. It's a lot of crap item. That's how it is. Treasure hunt. I'm like, was it worth the $35? This one's like a tiny earring. I wonder if it's sterling. Focus, camera. Focus, focus. It's pretty, huh? It could be sterling. It's so tiny. It's like a lot of tiny earring. Yeah, I can't tell if it's sterling or not. See, they're so small. Stud earring. Do they match? Can't tell. Okay, what is? It's like a lot of tiny earring. And then this heart pendant. I don't know who's the maker of this one. I'm not sure who that is. It's gonna be $1. $1. It's getting hot in here. Okay. I'm like, was it worth to get another jar? Not sure. This one is a pen, I believe. This one's like a pen. I don't see any maker. This one's gonna be $1. $1 for that. And then this is the rose pen. And it'll be $1 also. Okay. $1 day. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'm enjoying it because I like the treasure hunt. Cindy Love Treasure. And that's it for my jewelry sale. And the rest is like mostly craft item. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Thank you for watching.